recent years it has become apparent that many forests can no longer please people because they only look boring and sick. Instead of green leaves and birds chirping, you can only see empty branches, brown leaves and dark clouds above. It is very frustrating and depressing to have to endure such a sight. For the protection of the people, one should cut down such useless forests, because they offer also squirrels, birds, bats, koalas and wolves no pleasant habitat. When the forests have vanished, one cannot get angry about the sight of the terrible forests. The advantage of deforestation is that no one will have to worry about deforestation later, when mineral resources, such as diamonds, are found under the forests. Because we know that there is nothing where there is nothing. Furthermore, walking through the forest at night is less dangerous for people, as they no longer accidentally run into the trees and can no longer injure themselves. Enjoy these terrible impressions as long as the forests have not been cleared. Could it be that this film has a negative influence on you? Could it be that the forests are quite useful after all? Could it be that there are seasons in which the forests have no leaves? Think about it.